Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 281 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. I shall briefly explain the genesis of this bill. It was in 1998 that the Local Self Government Ministers' Conference passed a resolution recommending that the central government should, in consultation with the state governments concerned, appoint a committee to examine the question of delimiting the cantonments. As a result of that, in 1999, a committee was appointed, presided over by Shri S.K. Patil, to go into this question. The committee submitted its report in November 2001 and made certain recommendations to the government which were duly considered. The opinions received generally favored the bill. The Select Committee suggested two minor amendments and the bill was passed by the Council of States as it was reported by the Select Committee. The House will thus see that the bill comes to it not only with the stamp of public approval but also with the seal and sanction of a representative assembly. Admittedly, the bill does not solve cantonment problems. It carries out only certain amendments of a minor character with a view to improving the mechanism of the Act. The opposition to the bill has come not in regard to the actual provisions but in regard to its scope, and it has been said that the bill does not go far enough to meet the problem of democratization. The main objection to the bill is that it does not provide for democratization and that it does not vest full municipal government in the cantonment boards. On the question of democratization, the Local Self Government Ministers' Conference in 1998 clearly recognized that, for reasons connected with security and the health of the troops, the areas where troops were quartered should be under the general control of the army authorities. The Patel Committee, too, was of the view that cantonments were military stations primarily and not civil towns, and that the cantonments should in fact maintain, as far as possible in the foreseeable future, their original characteristic of military stations, considering all the circumstances associated with the present state of the country in its political, economic, and public health aspects. It is also significant that the Patel Committee particularly noted that even amongst the civilian population of the cantonments there are substantial elements, often in a majority, who are apprehensive of the consequences of their transfer.